Good morning, students. I hope everybody is fine, and we are starting the chapter that is changes around us. Let's start. Okay, students, let's now discuss about the changes around us. Change is the nature of life. As days and night goes on, the thing around us changes rapidly. Some changes can be noticed immediately, while other take some time. Means some changes are very fast and some changes are very slow. Okay. As we can discuss, that is change in position. Movement of Earth is also a change. Shape of the moon also changes. Size means growth in organism. Change in color, like sometimes sun looks red in the morning and white at noon. Change in state, that means formation of cloud, and change in temperature. Okay. See, what is the objective of the change? You will, after the end of the chapter, you will aware about the changes around us, the type of changes. You will understand what is the phenomenon responsible for the change. Okay, and you can minimize the undesirable changes. See, what is change? Type of changes, slow and fast changes, desirable and undesirable changes, reversible and irreversible changes, periodic and non-periodic changes, and physical and chemical changes. Okay. What is a change? Every day we observe changes around us. Okay, like blooming of flowers, ripening of fruits. These are the general changes which is occurred in everyday life. Okay. Let's discuss about the types of changes. Slow and fast changes. Okay. Second is desirable and undesirable changes. Third is reversible and irreversible changes. Fourth is periodic and non-periodic. Fifth is physical and chemical. Let's discuss about the slow changes. The changes which takes a very long time to occur, that is known as the slow changes. For example, growth of child into an adult, it takes a very long span of time, that is known as the slow changes. Okay. See, like for the germination of seeds, when it grows into a plantlet, you can see that we have taken seed. After it grows into a nursery, into a small plantlet, then these small plantlets are taken into the uh, wide wide area field to grow. Okay. Second is fast changes. Fast changes takes less time to occur or occur instantly. Like for example, burning of matchstick, okay, bursting of balloon, burning of paper. This is the fast change. Second is desirable. The changes which occur as we our wish. We like such things, like for example, formation of curd from milk. This is a desirable change. Means no harm is occurred to any other organism or to a human being. That is known as the desirable change. Okay. See, this is the formation of curd. Next is undesirable change. Those changes which does not occur according to our wish, that is known as undesirable changes. Like for example, all natural disasters are undesirable changes. Okay. And if we take a common life example, that is the breaking of glass, this is also an undesirable change. Okay. Sometimes undesirable change accompany desirable changes. Means we can say that some changes like running of car, it is beneficial for us, but to our environment it produces carbon dioxide which pollutes the environment. So some changes are beneficial for us and non-beneficial to other. Some changes may be desirable for one person but undesirable for other. For example, the cutting of trees, like same, is desirable for us. We make buildings and plateau buildings, which is desirable, and but it disturbs the ecosystem of the nature, that is undesirable. Next is periodic change. Changes which occur again and again after a fixed interval of time, known as periodic change. Like for example, occurrence of day and night, okay, heartbeat, oscillation of pendulum of a clock. Like for example, see this, it is showing that it is 9 o'clock. After and 12 hour, it will again be a 9 o'clock. So this describes that after a fixed interval of time, it again come back. So means repetition occurs. These are known as periodic changes. Non-periodic changes, these are those which does not occur at regular interval of time. These are known as non-periodic changes. For example, we cannot determine earthquake when it will occur, okay. Sneezing, it is beyond our control, it is a non-periodic change. Rusting of iron is also a non-periodic change. Reversible change, if a change can be reversed, then it is called reversible change. Like for example, if we heat a water, okay, it changes into water vapor, okay. After that, when we condensed it again changes into a water molecule, it changes back into the water. That is known as the reversible change, okay. Next is irreversible change. Those changes which cannot be reversed back are called irreversible change. Like for example, if a fruit is ripened, it cannot get back into the unripe fruit. That is known as the irreversible change. Next example is growth of child into an adult. Child, gradually time passes, it changes into an adult, but it cannot be possible that adult can change into a child, okay. So this is an example of irreversible change. See, a child, after a several lifespan, it changes into an adult. Physical changes, those changes which in which there are no new substance are formed, that is known as the physical changes, okay. We are giving heat to the water, it changes into the water vapor. After condensation, it will again get back into the water droplets. This is a physical change in which no new substance are formed, okay. That is known as physical change. And in chemical change in which there is a formation of new substance, that is known as the chemical change. For example, rusting of iron leads to the formation of iron oxide. Like for example, this is the symbol of Fe, that is iron. When it reacts with oxygen, it forms iron oxide, that is, it forms rust, okay. If we keep the iron rod into the free atmosphere, it absorbs water and oxygen, it reacts and it forms rust. And rust cannot be, that is FeO, cannot be converted back into the iron. Means chemical changes are generally irreversible, okay. Conclusion. So at the last, you know about the undesirable changes, how it affects the human being or the environment, how you can minimize the undesirable change, okay. Thank you. Okay, last is you have understood the chapter, studied properly, and you have any doubt, please upload your question on the WhatsApp or on the link. We will answer it. Thank you.